Sinangayunan ni Senator Win Gatchalian ang datos na iprinisinta ni Senator Miguel Zubiri hinggil sa poverty incidence sa BARMM. Ayon kay Gatchalian, bumaba ang poverty incidence sa rehiyon simula nang maitatag ang Bangsamoro Autonomous Region and Muslim Mindanao. Sinabi ito ng Senado sa gitna ng unang pagtalakay araw ng Lunes sa Senate Bill 1587 o ang panukalang nagre-reset ng first regular election sa BARMM.
And I agree with you that we are already feeling the fruits of peace in the BARM area. I was actually invited to the 7th anniversary of the Special Geographic Area. And before I went there, I took a look at the data. Tama ho kayo na yung poverty incidence in 2018 was 53%. After the Bangsamoro Organic Law, which we passed, na-slice in half ang poverty rate to 24% in 2023. Yung malnutrition rate nila is 45% in 2015, and again, after the Bangsamoro Organic Law, which delivered peace, na bawasan to 34%. So, napakalaking baba po ng poverty incidence, which in turn reduced malnutrition rate. Pero marami pang dapat gawin. Peace is not an overnight activity. We need to sustain it. And one of the most important facets of sustainability is the voice of the people. So that's why we look forward to this up-and-coming elections, because this will enable our constituents in the BARM to express their desire on who to lead in the BARM area. So congratulations to this sponsorship.